let's talk eggs. Small, versatile, and packed with goodness. Eggs are pretty much nature's power snack. But did you know? Not all eggs are created equal. Stick with me, and I'll crack open the secrets of eggs you'll want to know about. First up, the classic chicken egg. White, brown, or even pastel blue. These guys are protein powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamins like B12 for energy and choline for brain health. And don't skip the yolk. That's where the good fats and nutrients hide. Now let's get fancy. Duck eggs? Oh yeah, they're larger, creamier, and have more omega-3 fatty acids. Perfect for baking or just leveling up your brunch game. How about quail eggs? These tiny gems are bite-sized and loaded with antioxidants. Plus, they're a trendy pick for appetizers. Just watch out. They're small but mighty nutritious. And for the adventurous emu eggs. Yep, one emu egg equals about 10 chicken eggs. They're rich in flavor and packed with iron. Perfect if you're feeling bold. No matter the type, eggs are little nutrient bombs. Just remember to opt for free range or organic whenever possible. Why? Better nutrients, happier hens, win-win. So, the next time you crack open an egg, think about all the hidden benefits packed inside that shell. Ready to up your egg game? Let me know in the comments what egg-citing recipes you'll try first.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more healthy diets tips.